become future stars. Chapter 7. Water, the precious gift. Let's learn together. Understand the importance of water in our daily life. Identify different natural sources of water around us. Learn easy and smart ways to save and use water carefully. Water is a precious gift. Water is one of the most wonderful and valuable things on earth. All living things, people, animals, birds, and plants need water to live. Without water, no one can survive. Water makes our earth beautiful and full of life. It helps plants grow, keeps animals alive, and keeps us healthy and clean. That is why we should always use water carefully and never waste it. Where do you get water from? Water is very important for all living beings. We get water from many places around us. These are called the sources of water. Let's learn about them. Rainwater. Rainwater is the water that falls from clouds in the form of rain. It is the purest form of water when it first falls because it does not contain impurities. Rainwater fills rivers, lakes, ponds, and wells, which are important sources of fresh water. It helps plants grow by soaking into the soil, provides drinking water for animals, and is used by people in many ways such as farming, drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Rain is also an important part of the water cycle. Water from rivers, seas, and oceans turns into vapor due to the heat of the sun, rises up into the sky, forms clouds, and later falls back to earth as rain. In this way, rainwater keeps the balance of nature and ensures that life on earth continues. Without rain, plants, animals, and humans would not be able to survive, making it one of the most precious gifts of nature. Rivers. Rivers are long, flowing bodies of water that start from mountains or hills and flow towards seas or oceans. Rivers carry fresh water that people use for drinking, cooking, farming, and cleaning. In India, we have many famous rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Krishna. Rivers also help to grow crops and provide homes for many fishes and aquatic animals. Amazing facts. The longest river in the world is the Nile River in Africa. It is more than 6,650 kilometers long. It flows through 11 countries and provides water for millions of people. It is also very important for farming, transportation, and fishing in Africa. Lakes. A lake is a large water body surrounded by land. Some lakes are filled by rainwater, while others get water from rivers or streams. People use lake water for drinking, washing, bathing, and watering plants. Lakes also provide homes for fishes, ducks, and other animals. Ponds. Ponds are small water bodies, often found in villages, fields, and parks. They are filled by rainwater or small streams. Ponds provide water for animals, birds, and people. Children often play around ponds, and farmers use pond water to water their fields. Ponds also have fish, frogs, and insects living in them. They keep the environment cool and add beauty to the surroundings. Wells. A well is a deep hole dug in the ground to reach underground water. People pull out water from wells using buckets or hand pumps. In villages, wells are an important source of drinking and bathing water. Some wells are very old and have been used for many years. Wells are often built with stones or bricks to make them strong. In many places, wells are also a meeting spot where villagers gather and talk. Seas and oceans. Seas and oceans are huge water bodies that cover most of the Earth's surface. The water in seas and oceans is salty and cannot be used for drinking or cooking. However, it is home to many sea animals like fish, dolphins, and whales. Big ships and boats travel on oceans, and people enjoy visiting beaches near the sea. Water in our daily lives. We use water every day for many important activities such as drinking water to stay healthy and fresh, bathing to keep ourselves clean, washing clothes, utensils, and cleaning the house, cooking food for our family, watering plants in the garden, feeding animals and birds. Amazing facts. A human body is made up of about 70% water. Stop for a moment and think. Have you ever thought about what would happen if there was no water on Earth? Without water, we would not be able to drink, cook food, or clean ourselves. We would not be able to grow plants, fruits, and vegetables. Rivers, ponds, and lakes would dry up. Animals and birds would suffer without water to drink and places to live. In some places, people have to walk very long distances to collect water for their families. They carry heavy pots of water on their heads because there is no water nearby. Many children cannot go to school because they spend so much time fetching water. We should be thankful that we have clean water at home. It is our duty to save water and never waste it. Every drop counts. Water is precious. Every single drop is important for all living beings. If we waste water, it can cause big problems for people, animals, and plants. That's why we should always use water carefully. Here are some simple ways to save water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Collect and store rainwater for daily use. Water plants using a mug or small can, not a running hose. Fix any leaking taps and pipes at home. Do not leave taps open after use. Do not waste drinking water for washing vehicles. Recap. Water is very important for all living things. We get water from rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, and oceans. Rainwater is the purest form of water. We use water for drinking, bathing, cooking, and cleaning. In some places, people walk far to get water. We must save water and never waste it. Word search. Precious, very valuable or important. Sources, the places from where something comes. Underground, below the surface of the ground. Vapor, water in the form of gas. Purest, cleanest and most natural water, without impurities. Like, share, and subscribe.